Welcome to JackJackPlays.
What do you got?
A cement mixer, and I'm turning it around, so look at the back.
Oh, look at that back of that cement mixer. Cool. Are we going to open it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it. What's going on, Jack?
There's a twisty tie on the chute.
There's a twisty tie. Let's turn this thing around and find out. Oh, yep. We can see inside there's a twisty. Let's rip it open.
Yeah.
Use your powerful claws, Jack. Oh, it came out. Look, here it is. And let's, oh, Jack wants you to see the twisty tie. Can you tell us about this truck?
It has a chute.
Has a chute?
Yeah.
Sweet. What's going to happen with the chute?
It's going to pour out concrete.
Awesome. A crank? What does that crank do? Oh, it turns the barrel? Mm-hmm. Nice.
Now let's drive it to the slide.
What you doing, Jack?
I don't know.
Filling it up?
Where should the concrete go in?
Maybe the sandbox?
Nope. Now we should crank. Which way does it come out in?
You gotta try both ways.
Bring that one in here. Mix all the concrete. I'm digging up all the concrete. I'm digging up all the concrete. That off. Now we have to push it away. Oops.
Hi, Molly May. How are you? Are you hungry? Always. Are you hot? Are you happy? Yeah.
push that. Here to be filled up. Oh yeah. All the concrete out here. Now, can you empty it? How can you empty it? I can't do it.
Why not? Just like that.
I can't do it.
It's tough.
It's really tough. Now it needs to be dumped in there.
Jack doesn't want it in the tunnel.
In my... You can't drive it through here! This is not allowed for toys. You can't mess with my house.
Jack, you want to say goodbye to the kids?
No.
All right, Jack has taken a turn for the worse, or I don't know what you would call it. He is no longer wanting to make a video, so we're gonna say goodbye. A little early today. Hope you enjoyed our video. And don't forget to, what, Jack? What should they do?
I don't know.
Subscribe. Bye.